So
Stephen
this
directs
is what I
Genesis to
got.
camera 3, the
I think
iPhone
this
desk view,
goes here.
an ultra-wide
Here.
that shoots straight down at the desk's
I'm
surface.
not sure.
He's holding up orange
Okay.
3D printed
So
parts.
now you can see how he
These
got
are the
snapped.
Featherlight version
I'm
1
on my
components.
desktop, holding all
A
those
camera arm
pictures,
robot that the agents themselves
pieces,
designed in
anyway, get it
OpenSCAD
centered the right
and
way.
printed on
Let's
the
see what he
Robo
does with that.
3D printer.
Okay, good capture. Hey, you know, it would be nice if I could talk to you because I'm having trouble hearing. Is there any way we can do that? Is there any way we can do that?
Now something remarkable happens. The voice agent starts up.
We might need another
In the right terminal, you can see whisper loading, audio devices being detected, and then the words, Genesis voice and vision agent is online. I can hear you and see you. Stephen can now just talk, and the system listens.
I sure would love to be able to talk to my Genesis. Because, okay, last thing here, and then we're going to end the movie.
Stephen speaks directly to Genesis. He's holding up the printed parts and asking for help. I'm trying to put these pieces together. Can you show me a line diagram? Genesis detects visual intent in his words, automatically snaps a frame through the camera, and sends it to Claude for analysis.
I need a line diagram to show how do I mount this. I got this base servo for my pan. I'm trying to figure out how I do the tilt servo. Do you know how I hook these up together? Can you take a snap?
I can see you clearly, Stephen, holding what looks like an orange-colored piece in your right hand. It appears to be one of the 3D printed Featherlight parts. You're asking if you need a line diagram to help assemble the pieces together. Is that